What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be playing Press the Button. And as you can see, we are in an obby right now, and I just died. So Press the Button is basically where you have to press this button, but if there's already an obby going, then you can't press the button. So yeah, they're already in the obby. Until they win, I have to be waiting here just collecting these. Well, I don't have to collect these, I just want to get coins and get to buy stuff. So yeah, Press the Button is actually a really fun game. I just started playing it, and it is actually really fun, really hard. Well, not really hard, but it's just really fun to play. And especially these obbies, like they're hard but easy. If you're good at obbies, then that should be easy for you. So yeah. And if my sister does any videos, and that's my sister, not me, okay, we probably sound alike because we are family members. Some family members sound alike. I have a little cold. I'm going to be doing the. Why am I going to be doing? Like, I'm not supposed to be doing it. But yeah, I am going to be sounding weird because of my voice. So like there's a little crack in it. Ooh, I jumped. I'm just gonna fall anyways. So yeah, we're going to jump. So I would recommend you turning your volume up. So yeah, my sister said this obby is really hard. I think it's really easy, to be honest. Look at me go. Nope, I died. Died. Rip. So if you die in like these obbies, you will be waiting like in this tube, so you won't be able to fall and just like not make it, so it's fair. But yeah, that person won. I left. Weird. I never left like a chipmunk. Press, 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 press. Okay, go. Push it up. Push it up. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to be... No, I got yes. Yes, knock, 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 knock. Gandhi, why do I have a big head? Why do I have a huge head? Huge head. I got a huge head. I got one. Just telling you, I'm really bad at this game. Fall on my head. Got three. So you can see right there. It's a little bit tiny, so if you like have trouble seeing, then I can zoom in for you. You can just type in, I'm like, I have trouble seeing. And that is totally fine. If you have trouble seeing that, I won't judge you. 5 ducks. Noise. Okay. I will not be getting chased. No. Press the button. Press, 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 press. Press, press, press. Press, press, press. Like it's 1v1, v1, 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 v1. No! Come back, come back, come back. No, yes, no, yes, no, 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 no. Come back. No, yes. Get in the goal. No. Don't get it in the goal. Congrats. I will never be the one winning. Let's go press the button. Button pressed. Hot potato, run from this. Run from him. Run. No. Yes, hot potato. Ooh, nice explosion. Glad I never actually got it. Hey. Hey, don't be rude. You cheater. He gave you it. So you lost. This guy is really rude. Phew! Oh, that scared me. I mean, you could also go on that LB, like, it wouldn't go over here, but you need to go for that. Well, you don't have to. If you want, you can. Trampoline! I think these are one of the fun ones. Nice. Okay. Oh, bye! I'm going to my favorite color, green. Da. Wait, what? Huh? Oh, you can't stay in the same corner. Scary. Okay, so I'm going to stay near the button. Ah. Cheat. No, you won't get smashed if you're near the button. Great. Press the button. Yeah, I think I can. See, I finished the maze. I finished. Or did I go the wrong way? Okay, I did both sides. I did both ways. Where is everyone? Ah, hide and seeker. Oh, I know her. Stay away from the yellow panda. She's bigger. Weird. God, you scared me. Okay. Oh, wake up, get more. Collect more things. I'm not gonna call her just a cheater. It's rude. Even though she did it. Because it's on camera. I'm just kidding. She never did. She's not a cheater, so. Run! Run! It just shot me off the world. No! Run. Button. I pressed it for you. 2, 1. No. Oh, why does it spin like that? Oh, anyways, bye. Thank you for watching. Sorry.